Good afternoon, Melton drivers. I hope you're all having a great day, staying safe out there. This is just going to be a quick kind of reminder video for outside repair for a few things we've been getting a bunch of questions about lately. The first one to start with is going to be truck washes. We've had a lot of questions lately about truck washes, about where you can go, how often you can get them. So we have a national account with Blue Beacon. You can go to any Blue Beacon truck wash every 21 days. You just pull up to it. They'll come out, you write your truck and trailer number down, they'll pull you in and wash you, and then they just bill us for it. You don't have to pay for anything, come straight to us. If you ever go to one of those and you have an issue where they say that your truck or trailer number is invalid, please give us a call in outside repair. Every once in a while there's a discrepancy between our unit master and their unit master, so it may not be in there, but we can get that added immediately and get you washed. And if you ever have to go to a truck wash that's not a Blue Beacon for whatever reason, if your truck's just completely covered in mud or you have to wash your tarps off, pay for it if you have to pay for it, or call us for a comp check. If you do pay for it, make sure you save your receipt and send it in for reimbursement so we can get you paid back for it. The next thing will be hotels. So as most or all of you know, we pay for hotels if you're in the shop for any reason, or if your APU's down or your bunk heater's down. We like to pay for those with comp checks if we can find hotels that take those, but they don't always, so sometimes you guys have to pay with cash. And if that happens and we have to load it on your card, again, make sure you save your receipt and send it in for reimbursement. If we don't have that receipt, we can't reimburse you for it, so just save that and send it in immediately with any paperwork you have to send in. And we're working on a solution for that in the future. We've got some things coming up I'll do another video about in probably a month or so. Hopefully we can get that going pretty soon and save a lot of trouble for you guys there. The next thing is just a quick reminder about PM services. I know we got a lot of new drivers who may not know what all these are and or what the messages mean. So we have 3 different messages that go out throughout the year. The first one is an APM. Don't confuse it with an APUPM. An APM is just a mid-service for your truck. So they change the fuel filters, grease the chassis, and do a quick inspection to make sure everything's good. The next one is the BPM, which is the full PM service, and that'll be the oil change, oil filter, fuel filters, chassis grease, and they'll also do a comprehensive inspection to make sure that everything's good and top off all your fluids. The last one you'll get is just the federal DOT inspection, which is just due once a year on your truck, as you all know. And you can keep a watch on that too, so you can get it before you even get the message. You can do it up to 60 days before, so if you know you're going to run out, stop and get it done whenever you have time. The last thing I wanted to touch on is just, since we still have some cold weather, is anti-gel. Make sure that you're still using it. Obviously, we've still got 2 or 3 months left of cold weather. So if you're going to be in a climate where it's going to be cold, or watch the weather and make sure that, if you're going anywhere that's going to be cold, that you add it before you get there. If you do it whenever you're there, it's too late. It's not going to have time to get through the lines and get through the filter to keep you from gelling up. So make sure you do it before you get there. So if you guys have any questions about any of this information or anything else relating to maintenance or outside repair, please feel free to give us a call. Our number is 918-779-6679. Thanks.